All right, everybody, today we're gonna do some oysters. Now, if you follow me and my wife, then you know that we love New Orleans. When we go there, all we do is drink and eat oysters, literally. Now, when you go to New Orleans, their oysters are more traditional. A few other places that I know, they do oysters a little out the box. They'll put crawfish, lobster, all type of different ways. I have all type of different oysters that I can do. But today, I'm just gonna make me, it's similar to an Oysters Rockefeller, but it's not. I'm gonna make me a little creamed spinach. I'm gonna poach me some lobster tails. I'm gonna throw that on top, and we're gonna put some smoked gouda instead of Parmesan. I just need a different flavor. I love the parm, don't get it fucked up. I love the parm, but I wanna try some smoked gouda. Have you ever had any type of oyster other than charbroiled oysters? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now first, we're gonna poach our lobster tails. You don't need that much. I think I got like 2 4-ounce tails. That's all you really need. To get these lobster tails, we're gonna throw them in here. We're gonna poach them for about 6 to 7 minutes. Give them an ice bath, and I'll show you how to do the next step. The way I make my creamed spinach, I don't just put heavy cream and butter and garlic and let it reduce and thicken, because I really want it extra thick. So first, we're gonna cook our spinach, wilt that down. Of course, this little spinach is gonna be probably 1/4 of that when we're finished. Then we'll do the next step. All right, just add a little olive oil, put our spinach in there. All right, now that we got it cooked down, just gonna put it on a paper towel so we can get some of those fluids out of it, which is very important. Whenever you're doing a sauce that has spinach in it, get that extra fluid out, because when you make a thick sauce and then you throw this in without doing this step, then it's just gonna make your sauce super thin. Then you're gonna be mad as fuck, all right? All right, we're gonna add our butter in. As soon as it's melted, we're gonna add our garlic in, our flour and chicken bouillon. I keep it real simple, chicken bouillon for everything. I call it gold dust. And we're gonna add our heavy cream. Once it thickens, we're gonna add that spinach and that lobster tail, and we'll be ready. Got our lobster tails poached. Throw it in that ice bath so it'll stop cooking. Now let's add our garlic. And now let's add our flour and chicken bouillon. And now our heavy cream. Now let's add our spinach. All right, I'm gonna add a little garlic butter, just a little. All right, so traditionally, these go on the grill. Oysters are charbroiled. Yeah, that's cool, but I'm teaching you how to do it in your oven at your home. Everybody doesn't have an open fire grill. So, and they taste just as good. So we're gonna throw these in the oven at 450 for about 10, 12 minutes, and we'll be ready to eat. Those look so fucking fire. Honestly, I feel like Sonny likes the traditional oysters, just parm and garlic butter, but I don't know. Let's see.
What kind of oysters are these?
Similar to an Oyster Rockefeller, lobster, Oyster Rockefeller.
Oh, these got lobster.
I just call them lobster creamed spinach.
Well, first of all, shout out to our sponsors, Kool-Aid. No,
Oh, baby, get in there.
Might be too big for me. I'm supposed to get this big ass lobster.
You want me to do it for you, baby? Let me do it, because she doesn't, as much as she loves them, she don't have the knowledge.
What knowledge? To eat a fucking oyster?
To get them out.
That's
It's
you know,
too
I
big.
don't like big oysters.
Want me to get another one?
Yeah. Too big for me. I like oysters, but I don't like big ass oysters.
She tripping.
You know it though. Yeah, feed me, baby.
That nigga knows something.
Taste that lobster. Man, he got big ass oysters today, y'all. That motherfucker huge.
Cheers.
L'chaim.
Oh my God. The creaminess from the creamed spinach with the lobster and the bacon, they all complement each other. The bacon adds that extra saltiness I need in this dish. The smoked gouda over the top.
That shit
fire.
like crack. Just a regular, what, parm?
Fire.
He's addicted.
When we go to New Orleans, you like traditional. It's 50-50. You like traditional, huh? But the other day, I made some of these traditionally as far as the ingredients, but I didn't put them on the grill. I was like, babe, you mind if I cook them in the oven? Yeah, shit, I don't give a fuck as long as the cheese melt.
I don't care about the how you cook it. It's still traditional. I mean, it's not, whatever. I like them either way.
Well, have you ever tried oysters outside the box like this? If not, you should. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.